Waterlogged streets, uprooted trees disrupting traffic at crucial intersections, submerged houses, and residential areas engulfed in darkness. This is how Chandigarh has looked ever since heavy rains hit the northern parts of India on July 8th. The recent chain of events that led to flooding in Chandigarh begs the question, what caused it? The Meteorological Centre in Chandigarh said a Western disturbance was to blame for heavy rainfall over Chandigarh and its adjoining areas. The officiating director of the Meteorological Centre later said that the disturbance would withdraw from the region from July 11th. A Western disturbance is a storm originating from the Mediterranean region. It is completely different from the monsoon. The Western disturbance is known for moisture usually being carried in the upper atmosphere. It is different from its tropical counterparts where moisture is carried in the lower atmosphere. Western disturbances are frequent and their spells can be long or short. The weather department in Chandigarh had predicted the Western disturbance on July 2nd, 6 days before its arrival. The monsoon season is well defined. However, Western disturbances have no fixed time of arrival. While the monsoon period is around 3 months, Western disturbances can last for very short spells. According to the weather department, the prediction of an upcoming Western disturbance can only be made around 6 days before its arrival. To understand Western disturbances, concerned weather departments monitor the activities over the Mediterranean region every half an hour. Currently, there is no indication of any further Western disturbance for the northern region, including Chandigarh.